So yeah, I'm gonna get this fuel tank pulled tonight. Okay, so I'm just underneath the truck here, and as you can see, tank's all wet, and it drips fuel every once in a while. So yeah, I have to figure out where that leak is, and I have no idea where it is. No, I'm gonna fill it up with fuel and weld on it. That's what I'm gonna do. I've actually heard of old guys doing that. It's because there's no ignition source. It's just heat, so it won't actually explode. No, I'm serious.
It's flame. It sparks.
Okay, I'm just gonna get this tank pulled tonight, hopefully, and maybe help Houston get his motor in his Jimmy again. I wish we would have counted. It's like seriously $100, like 100 times. $100. It's seriously like $100. Oh my goodness, 100 times. Well, I gotta get this tank out of here, so I better hurry up and work. Okay, well I got the fuel tank out, which was actually pretty easy. Other than I smashed my head a couple times. Well, that's just the way it goes. Now that I got this out, I need to figure out where it's leaking from under here. So I'm gonna take both these clamp things off. But I was also looking. Kind of looks like it's been leaking fuel out up here, somewhere here. I don't know if it's just the seal's gone bad or what. So I might get lucky and just that be my issue, which would be so awesome right now. I wouldn't have to deal with welding the tank up and everything. So I'm just gonna rip these clamps off and then try to find another leak. Well, I got this clamp, both clamps pulled off, but I think I found my leak here. Try not to dump it. Kind of looks like that's it. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna cut that open or what. I might see if I can clean it up and then, I don't know. We'll see. Or maybe just buy a new tank. I'm not sure yet. Here's my fuel tank. Here's these holes that I gotta fix.
Probably can't see it.
Yeah. Here's the universal fuel tank fixer. So that's what we're gonna do. Well, bam! Grab this bad boy.
Huge deal.
Clean this up super good. Go like this. Slap it on. Bam! Ready to run. Throw the 450 WALBRO fuel pump in and do burnouts. That's what we're gonna do.
What turbo?
No, we don't need turbo to do burnouts. We're gonna get this thing done.
And you're gonna check all these other spots where the dumb mold clamp goes.
Yep, I probably should.
Okay.
That might be a spot right there.
Oh, she ain't leaking there.
No, this is the only spot that's leaking. So
how come it looks wet right there?
where?
Right in the
Because that's where all the fuel leaked.
From there.
Yep. Because it's so much horsepower, it just blew it back. If you can look really closely, you can see sparks coming off this. And it's pretty wonderful because this is still has fuel in it.
Not much.
It'd be a nice fireball.
No, that's only in first gear.
Oh, no wonder it's so slow.
And you can put it the other way so she doesn't get you in the eyeballs.
Okay, now it's gonna loosen it though.
Maybe. Well, your hat is like right away when you stick your head down there.
Well, I think I made the holes bigger.
Those ones, yeah.
But I don't think anywhere else is leaking. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to put any
I'll
on there.
put some rocker guard on it.
Yeah, I'm going to definitely spray paint it this time with a rocker guard. We need to make this tank last as long as we can. So I'm just gonna do a little bit right there.
How much liters does this thing hold? Done.
You see? Right here, we're making a bunch of this. Making a bunch of this good stuff. I don't really know what the part is.
I like how you don't even make sure you have the right amount. You just gobber on.
No, I'd say. Yeah, I might put a little more of the black, make it look a little prettier. That's what I go by. I like to see 3 layers, like ice cream. That's when I consider to be the best sealing. Right here, if you go by this mixture...
So you don't even mix that?
No, you just put it on.
Oh, yeah.
No, this is the best way to do it.
What happens if she hardens before you even get it on? What are you doing?
We got the perfect mixture mixed right here.
How do you know? You lick it?
Yeah, I can tell.
Oh yeah, just gobber on.
Gobber on.
She's up a little higher than she needs to be, but you just about almost don't have that one pinhole. Oof.
Ooh.
That is.
Holy damn. First you gotta get it all on there.
Then how you do it?
Now you spread it all over. This is a little too high, so we're just gonna move it.
The one pinhole is like right there, and the one's right there.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So you're kind of a little low on the one, and not very much on the other one. How long is this thing gonna last you?
This is gonna last the rest of the truck.
How long is that? 100 years? More than that, because they'll fix it up if these aren't rusting.
Yeah.
We're gonna buy a brand new frame for her.
Yeah.
Go to Chevy. No. Look at that. Smooth.
Smooth as butter.
Beauty. Good enough.
Good enough for me. Take your screwdriver,
You make that face too?
jam it in there.
Oh.
Oh, I'm just gonna get her. Rub it on your pants. Good to go. Look at that. Brand new. Better put it back in the toolbox.
No wonder your tools are missing.
Should we do a little preview of the fuel pump? You got that thing video?
Yeah, see you around. Where'd you buy this thing from?
eBay.
Good old eBay.
We'll put the link in the description.
Are we?
Cole 464 is the seller.
Huh?
WALBRO 455. Genuine WALBRO. Supposed to be. This is going to drop on in there. I would just throw it, but I don't want to wreck it. Ready? To send it with burnouts. Okay, so this is the original sending unit I had in there with my inline WALBRO 255 fuel pump, and this is how I draw fuel from. Yeah, 255.
Now you're putting a 450.
Yeah, this is the original. She good. We're gonna swap in this WALBRO 450. Yes, sir. It will fit. You gotta be optimistic. Cut all the zip ties off here. Holy piece of junk clamp. Cling. Stupid clamp. There she is. Okay, so now oh, look at that. Jesus. Barely fits. Almost have to cut the tube.
You probably will have to a little bit.
Yeah.
Do you have enough for that? Do you know?
Yep. Came with it. The same. So we got the pigtail, some hose, fuel pump sock or whatever you call it, filter thing, pre-filter. Dang, childproof, can't even get it open. So now, how does this go together? Can you have video here? Is video background thing? Sure, it doesn't fit perfectly.
Because this is a whatever you call this for a non. No, it is.
No, yeah, this one had the pump, but it's just way smaller. Is that how it's supposed to sit?
Yeah. Might work though. Just put a hose clamp around here.
Yeah,
Right there.
that's what I'm gonna do. And just cut the hose like that far.
Yeah, so it goes from there to there.
That's a good idea. Here, put this thing on the bottom so it don't fall off.
That thing, I don't know if you'll be able to make that fit.
This has to fit. We're putting this bad boy on no matter what.
I'll be able to get this off.
That's fine.
Got your hose?
Right here. This came with it.
Oof.
I have to chew on that.
So we need. Is there clamps too?
Yep.
How much?
That much? Okay. Got some side cutters.
You're gonna cut it with side cutters.
I gotta hold this a little bit. Holy darn.
Probably high pressure.
Oh. Didn't even
Make a mark.
mark a mark.
I'll talk after. That's where you cut, so I'm just gonna cut that little thing out just in case.
So don't forget it.
Yep.
What
Yum.
are you doing?
Heating her up.
Good gravy.
What are you talking about?
Nasty.
Not that bad.
This old trick right there. Make the hose fit easier.
It's usually for smaller stuff, but shouldn't have put that pump on yet.
Might have been easier if it wasn't on.
Should probably put those hose clamps on there too. Right now.
Might have to get the torch. Holy darn, that doesn't even fit. We need some bigger hose.
Shouldn't have a fuel pump on it already.
Well, it probably will pull off here.
You can be the one to pull it off.
Here, hold this one.
1 second.
Ooh, right in the dirt.
She good enough?
Oh yeah. Got my fuel tank JBL drying. Probably won't put it in until tomorrow. Just so it can dry really good.
You can probably put it. No, because the clamp goes right there.
Yeah.
You just don't put fuel in it.
Yeah.
Oof.
What do you think? Have to put the torch on it.
Try not to bend that.
Yeah. Goodness. You even getting it on?
I went up about 1 millimeter.
Yeah, you want me to do some? So we're getting the pump put in here. We got this hose all cut. Now we got accidentally put the clamp on the wrong side. We gotta switch that around.
Dumb. I don't know why we did that. And then this will be, you have to figure out what way this is.
Well, it don't matter.
That
It only goes on one way.
supposed to go in there. I just put her in anyway when I stuck her on there first time.
Yeah, put it on there.
Right now?
Yep, stick it on.
No, we gotta put a hose clamp here.
Good gravy.
Now we got a way too long hose clamp here. But all you gotta do is put an impact on it. Look at that.
Oh, goodness. Probably should put the sock on.
Do you have a sock for it?
That's what that thing's called.
Why don't you just take yours off your foot there? Put her on. Just stick her over the whole thing.
Oh,
Be good.
boy.
She on.
One of the videos that I'm editing, you put your finger in the screen like 5 times.
That's the day I was mad.
So that was your way of getting back?
Yep. Mint fuel pump holder. She might rust in a few years, but
No, I don't really care.
could use a zip tie.
I'll figure that out later.
Those other ones lasted pretty good.
So next, now we gotta put the pigtail on.
No.
Oh, right.
We gotta fix that.
Fix that clamp.
You gotta
Get
fix
back.
that while I do my other stuff.
Get right back. Now we got this all mounted and everything. Professionally.
Oh yeah.
Next, I gotta figure out where to drill a hole so I can put a grommet, run these wires through. See who stands there and does nothing.
Yeah.
We gotta get lots done. Stands on. Here, grab the drill bits for me, please.
Isn't the bit thing over here?
Okay. Gonna drill a hole.
Right
I'm gonna
there.
top this bad boy. Oh, you can't even see it. Right there. I'll try not to drill a hole in my hand.
Look at that beauty hole.
What it looks like.
How are you? That was really close. Looks pretty good.
Ooh, sweet doggy. So where we gotta drill it this big?
No, you gotta drill the inside of that. So one side's bigger than that.
So funny. Did you grab the drill bits?
No. I gave you a step bit.
Oh my god. It's kind of a big jump in the video. We forgot to film the other part, but got the fuel tank all done and got it in the truck actually. You see though, a rocker guarded it. This is where it was leaking before, but it's not leaking anymore, so that's good. Rocker guard the whole tank. And for my wiring for the fuel pump, I just ran it here and along the frame and zip tied it all the way. Oh, sorry. But yeah, it's actually, oh, guess I'm missing a hose clamp there. But it actually is really good, and I'll start it up for you guys. You guys can hear the fuel pump. So yeah, as you can see, this video is taking a little bit later, but because the turbo is on, but everything is working great, running amazing. That fuel pump is so nice, it's so quiet compared to the 255 inline one that was in there. Yeah, that was awesome. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe for more. Have a great day, guys.